What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here. I want to do a quick update video on Bitcoin. We're going to do the monthly, and this is something I've been keeping an eye on for a little bit, and we're getting dangerously close to confirming. So you can see here, this is the monthly MACD, and every time we've had a bearish cross on the monthly MACD, it's confirmed the top being in for Bitcoin, and then it's also preceded a pretty significant drop of average of 60%. So these were the last instances. You can see here January 22, February of 20, June of 18, and August of 2014. If we expand this a little bit, you can see these were all the major bearish monthly crosses on the MACD, and we're just within striking range here of one happening now. So we close that panel here. You can see this was the 2014 one. So as you can see, it's not the top. The top was already in, but then when the bearish cross occurs, there's another 73%, 74% drop here. And again, in June of 18, the top was in already. Then when the bearish cross happened on monthly MACD, we had another 58% drop. Same thing here in February of 20. This was a lower high from this cycle top. It just confirmed it when the bearish cross occurred, and we had another 59% drop from that point. And then we go to 2022. This was the cycle top here. Bearish cross on the monthly MACD, another 66% drop from that point. And again, this would be this 2025. The top would be October if we get confirmation of the bearish cross here. We could potentially see, if we take the average of around 60%, we could potentially see Bitcoin bottoming as low as $40,000. So something to keep an eye on. If you haven't been yet, we're very close to confirming this. It's about 90 pips away right now. So if Bitcoin stays around these levels, it's only a matter of time before this is going to confirm. We do need to see a reversal here if there's a chance for the bull run to continue, in my opinion. So we're very kind of at a critical point here that if the bull run is going to continue, we need to see a pretty quick reversal here from 98,000. Otherwise, it's looking like this might be the start of the bear market. The cycle top might be in for this cycle. I would need to see a sharp reversal here to change my opinion of that. With that being said, let me know in the comments your thoughts if you're watching any other signals. This was just one signal, monthly MACD, bearish crossover. I'm keeping a close eye on. Hasn't confirmed yet. If it does, that's just kind of confirming my bias a little more that the cycle top is possibly in. Along with the time period, we're at the normal 1,050-day mark from cycle to cycle. So a couple things of confluence there. Also, we're seeing capital rotate more to like precious metals in traditional markets as well, and away from crypto, even though liquidity's up. And you can see that in the decoupling of the M2 money supply from the Bitcoin price action. So a few things of confluence there. We didn't ever have euphoria. Retail might not be coming, is my take on that, because they've found, different opportunities in precious metals or AI stocks and things of that nature. But with that being said, make sure you subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Stay legendary. We'll catch you on the next one.